Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video I'll show you how to affect a strip iteration when using repeated strip. Alright, so let's take a look here. I've got a repeated strip, and this strip contains some account information, very basic stuff. So we're bringing back from Salesforce account name and the account type as well. So let's see how this looks, and I'm running it on load. We'll take a look at the Salesforce guy in just a moment, and we get a bunch of accounts here. So our scenario is, say that you want to affect a single iteration of the strip. Let's say if it's a customer direct type, let's change the background color, and then I can show you how to hide and show it based on conditions on data that's coming from that specific iteration of the strip. And this thing has no limits. It's just a very simple scenario, so you can understand the concept. All right, so let's head back to the strip, and what we will do is add a custom variable, and we can name this account type. All right, so not going to do anything here. The only thing we got to do is head back to our Salesforce integration, and we'll head over to the account mapping. So I'm returning, let's do 100 accounts, and we'll go to our mapping and I'll map my parameter. So I'll say account type variable, and I'll map it to the type of the account because this is what I want to run my condition on. And again, this is just a rough example. Okay, what we will do next is head back to the strip, and I'll say custom variables, and we'll click configure condition, and we will say count type variable, and we can say equals, and let's do customer direct. What we can do is, for instance, affect the strip. So we'll head over to our repeated strip, and let's do set background color, and we'll change it to something like so. We'll apply, and let's say we do not want to see customer channel. So I've added another rule, and we'll say count type variable equals, just so you understand the idea of this, configure action, affect element, and we'll say again repeated strip, and we can do hide. Let's make sure we have the mapping right. Perfect. Okay, so we'll apply everything here, and now let's run our preview. Head back and refresh, and we have all of our customer direct iterations, and we're hiding the other type. And now let's change this around, so we can say, for instance, head back to our custom variables, and you can do the same thing for the strip value. Instead of hiding this, let's also set background, and you can do a lot more than what I'm showing you. It's just a rough example, and we will set it to something like so. And let's save and run the preview. now we have our other iterations affected as well. And this is how it's done.